On the last video on the channel, you see one of the new rebuild projects, the 2024 Renault Megane E-Tech full electric. And here's me and Pete stripping down the replacement bumper ready for paint. So the Megane's now all painted, so the bonnet, if you remember guys, it had a little bit of damage just here and there was a bit of damage just here, and I did show you there was no damage to the actual frame underneath of the bonnet. And then the whole bonnet's being fully painted. Wing's currently off, I'll get to that in a second. Both doors has been painted this side, because if you remember there was multiple dents, which I think's from that, when that mirror's been knocked off, I think that's what's caused them. They're being done, it looks beautiful. And the driver's wing has been painted as well, because there was a dent roughly here, which also took the paint off. So that's been painted. Reason the wing is off, guys. Well, just leaving Renault, I've just picked up a wing for the Megane. It's lovely raining. I've just got back from Cornwall yesterday to this rain, but I'll get back when we get to the unit. Yeah, you will have seen me just leave Renault. So yeah, this is a brand new genuine wing for the passenger side. Because obviously, remember there was those creases going along the wing. There's also a split going along here, and this is an aluminium wing. So I just thought, for the price, just replace it. So yeah, that's why we've got a brand new replacement wing. You would have seen a few seconds ago, I was at Renault picking up a new wing. So I didn't see this until it was getting to the preparation stage. There's a split in this wing. This wing's aluminium. It might be able to be repaired. Obviously, we had the creases, but for £230, I got a brand new genuine one from Renault that's now being painted. So what you're going to see now, guys, we're going to get the bumper built up on time-lapse. There wasn't much actual body colour parts. You'll see in a minute, guys. But yeah, we're going to do that on time-lapse now. So now on to the passenger headlight. So what we've got to do with this one, if you remember from the first video, guys, the headlight's got no damage apart from the tabs, which I bought a kit from Renault. So it's all been trimmed, so the replacement tab kit will sit flush to where they need to sit. The headlight tab kit is fitting lovely, which you expect for genuine parts. But one thing I will say, guys, if you're doing a headlight tab kit yourself, make sure you double check before when you have to cut down the originals so they're a nice tight fit. So that's the headlight repair kit fully fitted now. So with those tabs, you get all the screws, and obviously they do have the holes originally on the headlight, so you're not drilling any holes into it. They're already there. So yeah, that's one headlight now ready to go on the car. So the front end's now built up, and you can see, guys, the bumper's now on, this headlight's in. I can't remember if I showed you last time on the first video, but yeah, light's now fitted and it's working. Wing is now installed as well. The panel gap is uniform all the way around the bonnet and to the door. So what's left, guys? The mirror's not on, the rubber's going along the doors and the bottom trim pieces. That's because this whole side, well, everything that's been painted needs polishing. We're going to polish the whole car anyway as it's black. You know how black cars is. It's got to be spot on. So yeah, mirrors down here and the trims. So once the car's been polished, we'll then fit them. So we've got the Renault Megane on the ramp. There is some damage, so let me show you underneath the car. Right guys, so we'll start on the front. So obviously this is replacement because of the bumper. So the damage what I've seen so far is this under tray here. If you can see guys, just here, there is some broken pieces. It's not touched underneath luckily, so that's going to be a replacement. I've only seen one on eBay secondhand. I think it's £75, but collection only, which is in Birmingham. So 2 hours there, 2 hours back. I've had it in the past where it will look good on photos. When you receive it or go and get it, it's broken because they're like a plastic fiberglass material. So by the time I've drove there 2 hours back, I might as well just buy a brand new one for 140 from main dealer. 4 hours out the day, I could be doing another car, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that one's broke. And then the last broken one is this one just here. So this is 2 sections. So this one's broke just here. If you can see guys, it's not touched any of these pipes at all. So it's literally just that plastic trim. So possibility this was caused by the forks from Copart on the forklift. But the main one, which is brilliant, is the battery one. So none of this has been touched, guys, at all the way to the back. That's the main thing. So yeah, that's brilliant news. So all we've got to do underneath, get a replacement one of these and one of these from Renault. And yeah, job done. So we now have the replacement under trays from Renault. As we know, the main one had that bit of damage just there, and the smaller one had a big piece missing out of it. So yeah, they're direct from Renault. And I feel a bit silly, guys, because I keep laughing about I can't find a sump plug because I'm not going to bother doing an oil change. Obviously, it's an electric car. I was literally just underneath the car, taking the under tray off. I was laughing to Pete. He's like, what's up? I said, I found the sump plug. There we go. There is the sump plug. I'm going to get the under trays on now, and then it is ready to go to Renault for its service. So that's underneath all finished, guys. So we're just picking up the Megane from Renault. It's just had its service. Tell you what I do like the look of, the electric Renault 5. What if we could do one of them on the channel? Let us know, would you want to see a Renault 5 in the future on the channel?
Hello, my name is George and I'm the Renault train technician working on a vehicle today.
Hello, Mr. George.
As part of our service series Smiths, I've completed the complimentary vehicle health check on your car. Based on my inspection, I'm happy to report that your vehicle passed the vehicle health check with no items requiring immediate attention at this time.
So I haven't left Renault yet, but I'll just show you here, guys. There is no longer any fault. So the ADAS calibration has been done, and obviously the service and a recall. So you see me and Pete build up the car on time lapse. So let me show you the Megane that finished. So here it is, guys. The Renault Megane E-Tech is now finished. What do you think, guys? I'm absolutely chuffed. It is gleaming. So the whole car has been machine polished and waxed. Being black, yes, it's only a year old, 24 plate, but you know, with black, you have to keep on top of it, and it is looking stunning. So there wasn't much to do on this car, like, you know, guys, this was a proper category N. So just a replacement bumper, bracket kit for the passenger headlight. We replaced the wing because we see there was a split just here when we took it off. And as it's aluminium, just replaced it. Screen washer bottle, the lower arch trim, and the repairs on the doors, which we assume was from this wing mirror, the original one getting knocked off and putting a couple of dents in the doors. So yeah, the car is looking gleaming. I did attempt to service this, like I do on all the cars I rebuild, do a full service. I can't find the sump plug, guys, to drain the oil, so I'm not gonna bother. I'll leave that in the boot for the new owner. By the way, guys, that was a joke because this car is full electric, but the service, The car does have a message saying service now. So what I am got, basically my diagnostics is not connecting to this, my launch. I don't know if I need to buy another update for it. So what I'm doing, the first service at Renault is £200. That's like a health check, also test the battery, change the pollen filter, I guess check the brakes and tyres. And then the second year at Renault, it's only £158. So that's getting done at Renault. I don't know if you've seen the first, on the first video, because I've filmed this car, the first and the second video before uploading it. The front tyres were pretty much bowled on this. So it's had 2 brand new tyres and tracking. Tracking was hardly out. I always do that anyway on an accident damaged car. But yeah, let me show you around the car. Yeah, so the interior has now come out spotless. As you expect, it's only a year old, but it wasn't really dirty, it was just a bit dirty. They do sometimes, being in the Copart yard, guess people going in and out with work boots. Obviously it is a yard, so you know, dirty. But yeah, it has come out really clean. I'll just shut this door as well. But yeah, let us know what you think, guys. There's the charging cable. It's a good sized boot. It's very deep, as you can see. I don't know if I showed you guys as well, it does have ambient lighting as well, if you can see there, guys, which looks nice with the yellow stitching. But as you can see, guys, the car is now gleaming. This side never had any damage. Ah, I forgot, this wing was painted as well. If you remember, there was that little dent there which had removed the paint. I totally forgot. I'm doing that many cars at the minute. Yeah, I've totally forgotten that one. And literally the colour match, as you can see, guys, to the A-post, to the door. It's really good work from TK Complex. I'll show you what else this car does. It does a little disco. And I think this is very cool, proper retro. You can see the shape of the Renault badge on the floor. Yeah, so let us know what you think to the repair, guys, the paint job. I'm really happy with it. It's definitely come out a really nice car. And would you want to see another electric car on the channel? I know this wasn't too big of a build. It was a nice little category M. Obviously just a few panels and it's done. So that's the Renault Megane finish, guys. It's the final video. I can't do anything else to it. Like, you know, I can't find the sump plug, drain the oil. But just heads up, guys, you would have seen me and Pete picked up the Megane from Renault after having it serviced, and ADAS calibration and a recall. That was actually filmed after this part. But you would have seen that got done by Mr. George, and they found no issues with the car, which is brilliant news. Literally, like, you know, the last thing I need to do to this car, send it to Renault, let them do the service, the health check, etc. Once it's back, then this car will be going for sale. So I'm going to be asking $14,500 for this Megane. Insurance paid out nearly $26,000. I think it was like $25,600 and something. So yeah, $14,500. I think that's a reasonable price for 24 plate, 10,000 miles. Good sized family car. So I literally just said that the Megane is now for sale for $14,500. Unfortunately, the Megane's already sold, guys. Me and Pete talked to a friend before Christmas. You'll see it go just here, which I do feel bad because literally the first video on the Megane last week, I was already starting to get emails, how much is the car going to be, Nathan? And fortunately this one, we filmed this car 2 videos towards the end of last year, but I've only just managed to get the time to edit the videos now. So as well, last week on the first video on the Megane, I did say as well, we've literally just got some fresh stock in, 23 plate, 24 plate cars. All I'm going to say, I don't want to ruin the video. One of those cars could be similar or could be literally identical to this car. So if you was interested in this Megane, be patient. There's a one-of-one video we're currently filming, literally 70% done. Just waiting for paint on that car. Literally, it should be painted this week. We've got 3 cars in the queue for paint at the minute. So literally, once that car is painted, all the bits are done, filmed, and the video is uploaded straight away to YouTube, guys. Straight away, not 6 months later. That car will be for sale from the end of the video. So if you was interested in this one, giving it away here, there is another opportunity. And literally, it doesn't need anything once that sale's been done. Like, you know, I put 2 brand new tyres on the front, the tracking, all the brakes are all good, the rear tyres are good. So yeah, literally, so what I'll be doing with this one, because this is the final video, just 2 videos on this car, Once it's back from Renault, it will then be going on Instagram, which I do have a dedicated Instagram account for this YouTube channel, which is Nathan_Hiley. I'll put it on there for a week. If no one who's viewing this video is interested in the car, I'll put it on the internet for sale. But maybe one of you guys would like to buy the Megane, which will be nice. I get to meet you. So yeah, so that's going to be an end for today's video. Let us know in the comments what you thought to this Renault Megane. Would you want to see another electric car on the channel, or is that enough for you guys? And yeah, if you did like today's video, smash that like button. Pete will say hello in a second. You will start seeing Pete a bit more in the videos. Yeah, so like I said, if you did like today's video, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, guys, it's completely free. Click that subscribe button. I have plenty more content coming for the channel. So there was a bit of a gap uploading videos. Not gonna lie, I'm terrible for that. But when my missus started a new job beginning of the year, my youngest son was not started school yet. He literally started like a couple of weeks ago, primary school. I've now got time during the day to edit videos where I work permanent nights. It's having that balance between fixing the cars, filming, which I've been doing, not a problem, it's the editing. So yeah, there is quite a few cars coming to the channel. So yeah, I really hope you did enjoy watching this Renault Megane rebuild. We enjoyed doing it, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.